Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos with papad. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 papads, which are thin, crispy Indian lentil wafers, along with your preferred taco fillings like seasoned ground meat or vegetables. Don't forget fresh toppings such as shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a dollop of sour cream or yogurt. This easy guide will help you create a delicious and unique meal in under 30 minutes, perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a fun snack. Now, let's prepare our unique taco shells. You can lightly roast each papad over an open flame for a few seconds until it bubbles and crisps, or microwave it for about 30 seconds. Another option is to fry them in about 1 inch of hot oil for just a few seconds until they puff up. While still warm and pliable, carefully fold each papad in half to form a taco shell shape. Hold it gently for a moment until it cools and sets, becoming a perfectly crispy vessel for your fillings. With our papad shells ready, it's time to craft your delicious taco filling. You can choose a classic seasoned ground beef, cooking about 1 pound of meat with 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water until it simmers. For a fantastic vegetarian option, sauté colorful bell peppers, onions, and corn with your favorite spices like cumin and chili powder. Make sure your filling is warm and flavorful, as this will complement the crispy texture of the papad beautifully. The possibilities are endless. Finally, let's assemble and enjoy your unique papad tacos. Carefully spoon your warm, flavorful filling into each crispy papad shell. Now comes the fun part, adding your favorite toppings. Pile on some shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a generous sprinkle of cheese. For an extra touch, add a dollop of sour cream or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Serve these delightful tacos immediately to experience the wonderful crunch of the papad combined with your savory filling and fresh toppings. Enjoy your culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.